Hello everyone, I'm Jessica Blackbird. Welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Those are 3 easy free ways to help my little channel grow. Amber Heard is getting her karma. Listen to this, you guys, and let's talk about it in the comments. According to Deadline, Johnny Depp rejects Amber Heard's frivolous aim to toss trial verdict as too little too late. Pirates star claims Aquaman star knew about juror discrepancy. Just a few days after Amber Heard filed new paperwork to have Johnny Depp's defamation trial-winning verdict tossed out and a new trial set, the current Jeff Beck sideman has responded. Unsurprisingly, the lengthy response from Team Depp is to maintain the multi-million-dollar decision, insisting that the Virginia court reject Ms. Heard's baseless contention over his more than $10 million damages award and everything else. Following a 6-week jury trial, a jury of Ms. Heard's peers rendered a verdict against her in virtually all respects, says the memorandum in opposition from Depp's Brown Rudnick attorneys Monday. Though understandably displeased with the outcome of trial, Ms. Heard has identified no legitimate basis to set aside in any respect the jury's decision, the filing in Fairfax County claims. Virginia law is clear that a verdict is not to be set aside unless it is plainly wrong or without evidence to support it, the memo adds. Here, the verdict was well supported by the overwhelming evidence consistent with the law and should not be set aside. Mr. Depp respectfully submits that the court should deny Ms. Heard's post-trial motions, which verge into the frivolous. Asserting that Heard's Elaine Bredehoft-led defense and counterclaim crew filed their post-trial motions well after the July 1st deadline, Depp's team today also seek to make mincemeat of the July 8th reiterated allegations that an incorrect or even masquerading juror was allowed to participate in the April 11th starting trial. In her supplemental memorandum, Ms. Heard does not, because she cannot, make any proffer as to why she could not have discovered the new facts until now. This is because the clerk's office provided the pre-panel jury list to the parties back on April 6, 2022, more than 2 months ago and 5 days before the jury was impaneled. In a rare moment of candor, Ms. Heard admits that she was aware of the purported discrepancy in Juror 15's birth year from the very start of trial. Juror 15 was clearly born later than 1945. Ms. Heard therefore concedes she had more than enough time before the trial started and during the 6-week trial, when at least 2 alternates were available, to investigate and discover the alleged new facts. Clearly, Ms. Heard waived any right to allege new facts she chose not to investigate for so long, much less to demand the extraordinary remedy of a mistrial. Reps for her did not respond Monday to requests for comment on the latest filing by the Aquaman star's ex-husband. Right after the $10 million plus verdict came down on June 1st, overwhelmingly for an absent Depp in Judge Penny's Fairfax, Virginia courtroom, Heard's lawyers made it apparent an appeal was in the offing. At first, it looked like that desire might have hit a dead end when Judge Penny insisted at a June 24th final judgment hearing that Heard has to put up $8.35 million bond before any appeal can even consider moving forward. The case of the mistaken juror, where a 52-year-old man seemed to show up in place of a 77-year-old man who was actually summoned, seemed to provide a battering ram through that bond wall, at least insofar as it threw a spiky spanner into the judicial works. With the Rum Diary co-stars having divorced in 2016 amidst temporary restraining orders, allegations of abuse, and more, Depp sued Heard for $50 million in early 2019 over a late 2018 Washington Post op-ed on domestic abuse with her byline on it, even though the mainly ACLU written article in the Jeff Bezos owned broadsheet never actually mentioned the past Oscar nominee by name. The litigious Depp claimed it devastated his already waning career. In court filings and on the stand, Depp went on to claim that he was in fact the one who was abused in the relationship. And it just goes on to talk about the UK court case and just everything that we've already seen, about the court cases and everything. So in my opinion, if Amber says they knew that couldn't possibly be the 72-year-old juror, I think, this is my opinion, I think that they saved that discrepancy in case she lost so that they'd have some way to appeal it without her having to pay anything. And they thought it was going to work. But Amber, as usual, let the cat out of the bag and said that they knew. And so she shot herself in the foot. I always say this woman is so evil, in my opinion. She's so dirty that karma keeps coming back and she doesn't learn anything. I think that losing all of that money and not having Elon Musk to pay it for her will teach her ass a lesson. Excuse my language, but she just makes me so angry. I mean, what a horrible, horrible person. And I was looking at one of Johnny Depp's co-stars from the Pirates of the Caribbean. I forgot his name, but he's an English star and they are friends. He talked about all of the things that Amber lied about. This woman has been doing so much evil to Johnny Depp for years. She abused him throughout their marriage. She set him up when she knew he wanted a divorce. She started gathering false evidence to blackmail him out of millions of dollars. And she lied and tried to ruin his career and his life. Wow, what an evil person. They're going to have like, what do you call it? They're going to make a Lifetime movie out of this woman's mischief, evil doing. Anyway, you guys, let me know what you think about it. I'm so happy that she isn't going to have a chance for a retrial. It's about time she gets her karma. All right. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. See you there.